What is up everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to go full on tech. I'm going to unbox for you two things. First up, it is my favorite on-ear noise cancelling headphones. So I picked this up a few weeks ago and I've been rocking them ever since, and I absolutely love them, and I'd love to share them with you guys in today's episode. And apart from that, I'm going also to share with you my, I don't know what you call this, my system, my phone system, which includes the case, the charging stand for the desktop, as well as the charging solution that I use for the car. So it's actually all part of one ecosystem that I'm excited, again, to share with you guys today. If that interests you, watch the entire video. We'll have fun. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do a bunch of giveaways here on the channel. In fact, we are about to draw the winner for the Nike Infinity React in your size. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the link in the description box for the rest of the mechanics of that giveaway. Good luck. So I'll start things off with the headphones. And when it comes to the headphones, people will usually gravitate, especially when it comes to noise cancelling, to two brands. They'll look at Sony and then they look at Bose. This one is from Bowers and Wilkins. This is called the PX7. And this sits exactly in the middle of the Sony XM3 as well as the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones that you would usually get. It is premium, it is kind of pricey. It sells for a little over 20,000 pesos. But man, it is truly one of the very best noise cancelling on-ear headphones that you guys can get today. Now this is the box, but I've already been using it. So this is the carrying case made out of like hard cloth material. If you slide it open or if you use the zipper to open it up, this is what the headphones look like, and they look friggin' amazing. So what's so nice about these earphones? First, they're extremely comfortable. The ear pads over here are made out of memory foam, so you can listen to songs for hours upon hours and you won't get any ear fatigue, which is something that I would normally get with the Sony after using them for like an hour and a half. So there's some sort of ear fatigue that sets in. You have to give your ears a much needed break. Also, when it comes to noise cancelling, it is not as extreme as Bose. Because when it comes to noise cancelling, Bose is really one of the best. But the problem is, it kinda impacts the sound quality. This one delivers the right balance, in my opinion. It gives you noise cancelling, and you can even control the levels using the application. So there is an app that you can download. And apart from that, the sound quality is not compromised. So those things, everything considered, for me, it's a great balance of what you would want in a noise cancelling set of headphones. Battery life is also over 20 hours, I think like 30 hours. So I have zero complaints as to battery life when it comes to this particular headphone. So if you want to pick one up, I think they're exclusively being sold right now over at Secret Fresh, a little over 20,000 pesos. One of the best noise cancelling headphones that you guys can buy today. Next, I want to share with you guys my charging system. And this is something I'm super excited about because I first discovered this brand when I was over at Las Vegas for the Consumer Electronics Show. So I have an entire playlist of the time I was at CES for Las Vegas. I'll put a link down below and you guys can binge watch it if you want after, you know, finishing this video. And I saw a brand called PITAKA, so that's Tagalog for wallet. And they were a complete ecosystem of chargers, power banks, phone cases, and they all just work beautifully together. And apart from that, they look absolutely stunning. They use military grade materials, some sort of like carbon fiber, aluminum kind of build. I think it's like proprietary for them. And it was just a well thought out, beautifully made ecosystem of products for your phone. And they had it for the iPhone, for the Samsungs, for the Wow, and you know, in almost all of the latest phones, they have a case for it, and this system will work. And that's the reason why I ended up getting the entire set. So I'll go over them one by one. So we'll start with the phone. So this, well, the phone case. So this is the PITAKA mag case for the iPhone XS Max, which is my iPhone that I currently have with me right over here. So what's so special about this one? It has metal plates embedded at the back for key wireless charging. So it is wireless charging friendly, and it just looks super nice. I mean, let me just pop this open so you guys can get a better appreciation for, oh man, I mean, it's just so sleek. It's simple, it's thin, it's, you know, it's classy, and bam, take a look at that. And it works beautifully well with the wireless charging system that they have. Now you're probably thinking, Carlo, you can already do wireless charging with your phone. What's the point of having a separate case? This is where the magic comes in. The metal plates are there for a reason. And this, for example, is one of them. This is the PITAKA Mag Mount Qi Desktop Wireless Charger Mount. So the metal plates are actually magnetic. So all you have to do, poof, is set the phone on the stand. It will cling onto the stand and it will charge wirelessly. So if you pop the box open, you have several components. You have the actual charging pad over here. You have a nice high quality stand over here. And you have, of course, the cable that you connect to the wall charger to be able to activate the charging. So how this works is you set up the stand like so, you use the cable, and then with the case, which is magnetized, you just put it like that and it charges. And as you guys can see, there's nothing holding it to the desktop charging stand. It's just the magnetic like thing, the plates interacting with the wireless charging stand. And it's easy also to slide out. So it isn't something that you have to struggle with. Easy in, easy out. Easy in, easy out. So again, this is the PITAKA Mag Mount Qi Desktop Wireless Charging Mount. Now let's say you're traveling and you are in your car and you're driving. Of course, you need to access Waze, you need to access whatever it is on your phone. They also have the PITAKA Mag Easy Mount Qi for your car. So again, it's something, they thought out the entire ecosystem. So if you pop the box open, you have this, of course, we have the charging plate again, and then you have the cable that you attach to the car outlet, and then you have two types of clips. So this one is a clip that you would usually use to insert it either in your air conditioning vent or whatever it is that you can insert it, while this one has double-sided tape. Let's say you just want to put it on your dashboard or something. So you have two options for the clips, and then you have this one as well. So again, it's the same system. You put it on the mount, and then there you have it. Easy in, easy out, no hassle whatsoever. The case working together with the stand to be able to deliver the best type of charging experience, regardless if you are in your car or if you are in your office. So how much do these gadgets sell for? The cases sell anywhere from $40 to $50. That's roughly 2,000 to 2,500 pesos. The PITAKA Mag Mount Qi Desktop as well as the car charger is also the same, anywhere from $30 to $40. Again, there are different kinds of cases. They even have like this one, which is the Mag Case Pro, which is a little bit sturdier. It has like thicker external edges to be able to give it more drop resistance, but it still has, of course, the wireless charging plates, the magnetic plates to be able for it to cling to the charging mount. So if you want to get one, or if you want to get the set, I'll put a link down below to their website. They actually ship here to the Philippines, so you can order it from where we are. You can get the entire set. They even have like a power bank that goes with it. So the power bank wirelessly, you know, magnetizes itself to the back of the case, and you can even charge everything together with the stand. It's just so cool. You guys really have to check it out. And before we end the video, let me just announce, I'm very happy to share with you guys that we now have pre-orders ongoing for the official merch bag that we have for the channel. It's called the Project 721 Side Hustle Bag. So the exterior is made out of black satin. You have orange padded lining in both compartments. You have an external compartment with slots for your pens or your phones and your wallets, a zippered compartment over here. The main compartment has even more compartments and pockets. You can fit an iPad Pro into here, as well as all of your other daily essentials and everyday carry. If you take a look at the strap, it says over there our mantra, which is 8 to 5 build your career, 7 to 1 build your dreams. That basically means 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. you build your career, 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. that's where you build your dreams, what it is that you're really passionate about. It can be YouTube, it can be that app that you've been thinking about, or a side business, whatever it is that you can get your hustle on. So this bag is now available for pre-order. I'll put the details on how you can buy one down below. Limited quantities only. We're targeting to ship them out in March. Again guys, pre-order for the 721 Squad Side Hustle Bag in collaboration with VAULV Manila is now up and running. Check it out down below. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you all enjoyed, and as usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.